If you are a victim of a pedestrian accident in Philadelphia or the surrounding areas, it is important to discuss your legal options with a Philadelphia pedestrian accident attorney. As a direct consequence of pedestrians and the necessity to share the roadways of our highly mobile society, the resulting mix can be a traumatic and at times deadly combination of conflicts. The unprotected pedestrian is most likely to fare the worst in any vehicle and pedestrian collision. When a pedestrian gets injured, they have no airbags, seat belts, safety cage, or any other way to shield them from such a traumatic impact. While many victims of pedestrian accidents can resume their normal lives quickly, these accidents can also cause serious injury and wrongful death. Every year, thousands of pedestrians and cyclists are killed and injured in accidents all across the country. If they've been victimized through no fault of their own, they may have legal rights to recover damages for medical bills, pain and suffering, emotional trauma, disability or disfigurement, property damage, lost wages, lost earning capacity, and other losses related to the accident. In order to collect these damages, the victim must be able to establish negligence or improper action on behalf of the other person. These pedestrians and cyclists can get compensation through insurance policies or state-assigned claims plans. A pedestrian accident attorney will need to carefully review all of the elements of the case in order to determine who is liable and what level of damages should be sought against the one who is at fault. The criteria that must be looked at by the lawyer includes the type of injuries you sustained in the crash, the impact your injuries had upon your life, such as time lost from work and lost wages, the medical expenses that you have incurred to date, and whether the accident took place was due to gross negligence or not. If you were hurt in an accident and your life has been changed because of it, then a pedestrian injury attorney will look at your case and will be able to figure out how much compensation based on the damages that occurred can be pursued in a court of law. No one desires to be in an accident that puts them in a position where they need to hire a Philadelphia pedestrian accident attorney. In fact, most people want to avoid being in that situation at any time whatsoever. However, no matter how cautious we are, accidents happen. And whether the accident happens in an automobile, in an airplane, or while you are walking down the street, there is a possibility that you can be seriously injured and you will need to consult an attorney to evaluate your situation. There are likely a lot of choices for you in the phone book or on the television commercials, and all of them claim to be the best Philadelphia pedestrian accident attorney. But how do you decide which one will really be the best choice for you? The Philadelphia Attorney Network has the best personal injury lawyers in Philadelphia and the surrounding area. Contact us for a free consultation to have your case reviewed and get your questions answered. Call 215-650-7406 or complete our consultation request form at autoaccidentlawyer.philadelphia.org.